Over the next 5 minutes, I'm going to look at a particular use case for droplet computing, and that's how droplet computing enables native access to Windows apps on a MacBook. This particular use case applies to me. I'm a MacBook user, and from my own experience, I know that yes, there's macOS versions of some Windows apps out there, however, not enough in my opinion. And likewise, when there is a macOS version, more often than not, doesn't look the same, doesn't feel the same, and in most cases has half the functionality of the Windows counterpart version. So over the next few minutes, I want to talk you through how droplet computing helps this particular scenario, what makes it different. The demo I'm about to do on the actual product, I'll let you be the judge and jury, right? I will show you what it looks like as an end user experience. I'll let you judge, is this the same experience you're getting on your MacBook right now? And would it be a benefit? And if it would be a benefit, I'll also talk you through how you can book your free live trial. So, without any further ado, let's actually look at the product demonstration. Now, I'm going to focus on two particular applications deliberately, just to let you see a very short video, but it will show you the two strengths of droplet computing and the end user experience. So without any further ado, let's look at the product. So as you can see, this is my MacBook that I'm currently on. I have droplet computing already opened. Two products I'm going to focus on is Microsoft Access and Internet Explorer 8. I could have picked Excel, PowerPoint and Word. These are the apps I've got installed in this particular container. But there's macOS versions of these, so why would I do that? So let's look at something where there's no macOS version, Internet Explorer 8. Let's launch it. And as you can see, it instantly launches. And not only does it launch, it's the native version. And again, to prove that, macOS users will be familiar with the red, amber and green tags here to close and minimize this window. And Windows users will be used to them being on the opposite side as a cross, and as a restore button, and as a minimize button. So this is natively running on my MacBook. And again, to prove to you this is Internet Explorer, let's look at About, Internet Explorer 8 from Microsoft 2009. This particular version I deliberately installed because another use case for droplet computing is the sheer volume of applications that are dependent on an old browser with an old version of Java and will not be supported on Windows 10. Another use case for droplet computing. So hopefully you found that beneficial. Let's close this down and move to Microsoft Access now. Another app that should not launch. However, because it's inside droplet computing, it launches instantly. I'm going to log into the pre-installed database that comes with Access. I'm going to log in as myself, Derek Steele. And as you can see, it just launches. It just opens. I can view inventory, view orders, customers, purchase orders. I can add and amend anything at all in here. And it works exactly as you'd expect it to look and feel from an end user experience perspective. If this tab wasn't here at the bottom, which you can obviously hide in a MacBook, you wouldn't know this was a MacBook. You would swear it was a Windows endpoint device. So hopefully you found this short, brief product demo of benefit and you see the value of where it could help you and the use case. And if you did find it useful and you'd like to test it yourself, then reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to discuss how I can help you and arrange a free 30-day trial where you can have a look under the hood of droplet computing, see for yourself where it adds value to your current challenges, especially if you have a big Mac OS and MacBook user base. If you enjoyed this video and you get something out of it, again, please hit the like button. And as always, thanks very much for watching.